It was so interesting to see the young men at signing day. They were so quiet and reserved. As the 4-week training progressed and they went to graduation, they were like brothers. You know, they were cheering each other on, you know, the nicknames. So it was great to see.
A lot was expected, a lot was demanded. They stepped up to it. So I tell them, I'm proud of you. Look what you've done, look where you come from.
I passed my own expectations with this. I didn't think I'd make it this far or even be decent, but I like to say I'm decent.
My name is Cam Bell.
Hello, my name is Carlos Balderas.
My name is Vince Lambert.
Hello, my name is Noah Perez.
I found this program through my high school. It sounded like an interesting opportunity to learn a new skill.
The opportunity and learning new things with different trades and stuff like that, that's what made me into it.
Sparked a light bulb in my head when I heard of it, and it sounded like an amazing opportunity for me, therefore I took it.
My dad, he always wanted to be a welder, so he's really the one that got me into welding. And I thought it was always really cool, so that's really why I'm doing this.
The Viable Pathway to Prosperity in Welding is a 4-week training that allows someone to start from no welding skills and be ready to start a job in welding.
Advanced manufacturing is one of the largest industries in our community, and I would say at a number of our employers, welding is a critical role.
The average welder in the United States is 47. That means that the majority of them are on their way towards retirement.
As far as current high school graduates that are entering the workforce, that number is lower than it's ever been. So we're facing a real workforce shortage across all industry sectors, to where our industry partners are struggling to find that next generation of welder.
Essentially, welding used to have the stigma of being a dark and dirty kind of industry, but it's really not. There's a lot of really nice, cool welding jobs out there.
The skills of being a welder are extremely important. They're in high demand. Over 155 every year are needed in Hamilton County alone.
With the Viable Pathways program at Chattanooga 2.0, we instituted our 80-hour hands-on welding program that culminates in the American Welding Society certificate as a certified welder.
A program like this is important to the residents of Chattanooga because there are so many opportunities in the area that we just aren't aware of. And so Viable Pathways really clearly maps out, here's the training that will be required for this career and the wages that you can expect.
What surprised me the most about the program was how intimate the instructors are with you.
We were able to secure instructors from Hamilton County Schools, Chattanooga State.
Very intense. It's 4 weeks. They have to learn a lot in a short period of time.
So we teach them a little metallurgy, we talk to them about electricity, we talk to them about safety, so that when they get out of here, they not only know how to weld, but they also understand what they're doing as they weld.
Day one, they learn how to strike an arc. From that day on, every day we expected improvement on what we were teaching.
We actually were reinforcing in the classroom what was happening, why we were doing it.
Welding was really aggravating at the beginning, whenever you couldn't get it.
We put a lot on them, and they are living up to the expectations.
The most challenging part of this program was not giving up after consistent failures. I'm usually always a quitter, so this time I decided to stick with something and follow through.
When I'm mentoring, I try to expose a young person to things they may not ever see based on the communities that they come from, because they'll never know what they're interested in if they're not exposed to it.
Mr. Todd had told me about it, so I ended up taking this trade and ended up liking it, so I'm just moving on with it.
What I try to tell them is this is a great opportunity. College or the military is not for everyone, but if you're willing to kind of get your hands dirty and don't mind being exposed to the elements at times, this is a great opportunity which will allow you to provide for your family And the viable pathways that we are offering right now is definitely that. It's a great opportunity that could actually change their lives. It can change their entire family's lives.